Safeco Insurance Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're a Safeco policyholder, there are promises to streamline insurance management, but is it as powerful as it sounds? One of the biggest pros is convenience. Most people get this wrong by assuming insurance apps are just for claims. With Safeco, you can view your policies, pay bills, and even manage multiple insurance types: auto, home, or renters directly from your phone. Another advantage is claims support. You can file a claim, upload photos, and track progress without waiting on phone calls. There is also access to roadside assistance and digital IT cards, which is a real lifesaver in emergencies. However, there are cons. Some users note occasional glitches in policy updates or claim notifications. The app interface can feel cluttered for first-time users, and certain features like detailed code comparisons still require desktop access. In conclusion, the Safeco Insurance app is a practical solution for managing policies and filing claims quickly. The surprising truth is that while it greatly improves convenience, it doesn't completely replace in-person support or comprehensive desktop tools. For policyholders who want instant access to their insurance info and claims, this app is highly useful, but keep in mind that complex tasks are better handled online or by speaking with an agent.